Hello everyone, it's Sophia, your travel vlogger, and I'm here at this beautiful beach to share with you the stunning scenery and vibrant energy that surrounds me. The crystal clear blue waters of the ocean are gently lapping at the shore, while the soft, powdery sand feels like silk beneath my toes. As I walk along the beach, I can't help but feel completely at peace, enveloped in the soothing sounds of the waves and the warm embrace of the sun. But there's more to this beach than just its natural beauty. Did you know that this area is a popular spot for surfing? Many surfers from all over the world flock here to catch some of the best waves around. And it's not just surfers who love this place. Families, couples, and solo travelers alike all come here to relax, play, and soak up the sun. As I continue my walk, I'm struck by the sense of community that exists here. Everyone is smiling and enjoying themselves, whether they're playing beach volleyball, building sandcastles, or simply lounging on a towel with a good book. It's easy to see why this beach is such a beloved destination. So if you're looking for a little slice of paradise, come check out this beach. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel videos from me. Hi everyone, it's Sophia, your favorite travel vlogger, and today I'm exploring a stunning beach. As I walk along the shore, I'm struck by the beauty of the sparkling blue ocean and the soft golden sand beneath my feet. The sound of waves crashing against the shore is music to my ears, and I feel so lucky to be surrounded by such natural beauty. But this beach isn't just beautiful, it's also rich in history and culture. Did you know that it was once a popular spot for local fishermen and their families? The traditions and stories of those who have lived and worked on this beach for generations are truly fascinating. As I continue my walk, I can't help but notice the diverse group of people enjoying the beach today. Families with young children, couples holding hands, and groups of friends all seem to be having the time of their lives. It's wonderful to see people from all walks of life coming together to appreciate this incredible place. I could spend hours here, basking in the sun and enjoying the stunning views, but unfortunately, it's time to say goodbye. Before I go, I just want to remind you to take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you wherever you are. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures like this one. Thanks for watching.